Hi sir, I'm Aparna from Tamil Nadu. First of all, thank you sir for being a wonderful mentor and a good motivator for me. I've been enrolled to the full test series package, having both prelims and mains test series. Both are excellent sir. It will boost my confidence towards clearing the exam. And the standard of the test series are excellent. It was up to the UPSC standard. The explanation part are so good, and it also helped me in my revision. In If I did anything wrong in the test, then I don't need to search for the topic again. It was already present in the explanation part. That is more than enough. The most best part I loved in this test series is the revision chart, because it brings all the informations within a single table format. And for me, I using the test series and revision chart for my revision. That is a most time saving process, I think so. When come to the main test series, it helped me a lot in developing a content and addressing the needs of the questions. Before that, and I was clueless, and I don't know how to approach the main questions and all. My sir feedbacks or helps me very well. Sir has given the feedback for each and every questions. And sir has also provided the model answer. It will be amazing content. Sir not only addressed the model answer for the questions asked, but sir has also added more valuable topic in it. When come to the timetable and all, sir, it was so good. Even if I couldn't able to complete the task, the buffer time helps me in completing the topics which have been covered in that. And the previous year question analysis in your video lecture was so good, and it gives me the correct way to approach the preparation for the prelims. And thank you sir, I was always happy to be a student of a wise IAS. Thank you sir.